This video will make a decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal converter. The, um, the decimal to fraction converter isn't going to be simplified, but yeah, that's just to let you guys know. So first, let's create fraction to decimal. There's probably a better way to set this up. Maybe have a fraction class. Let's actually do that. I think that's right. Constructor. Um, and let's actually make this to decimal, and then this, all we have to do is let's do 2/4. Oh. Half. And then let's say get fraction. So this is just a way to get the actual fraction turned turn and then you could probably have some like simplifier function. Which all you really need to do is just get the prime numbers and then cancel out common primes. Maybe in the next video. Anyways. Now let's have a and all we need to do is first we define how many significant digits or figures the decimal is, so we can do, if you could take the log and it's 10, which will return the significant figures, the decimal, and then we just do math.for, so it makes it a whole number. And then this is going to be negative if it's a decimal. Set greater than or equal to 0 decimal. And then since it's not fraction, the numerator and then no, times negative f, so then this is going to be a whole number, and then all you have to do is return digits over negative s. So let's try it out. Log 2, it should say 2 over 10. Wow, that is interesting. Okay. Negative 1. Is that right? Hold on. Okay, so let's actually do 10. 10. There it is. So let's try another 6, 5, 6, 2. Oh, okay, I know the mistake. It's not going to the last digit. Okay. I think I have another solution. So let's convert I and then let's split it by period, the decimal point, and one number. So let's say it's like 5. Is that okay? Then 4 I 0 I is less than and then let's just make sure small type there or type decimal, just in case they throw a string with multiple decimal points or periods. So that's works. And plus for the I equals 0, I less than stringified, I plus plus, and stringified 1, so it's only the decimal part of the number. And oh, actually, you don't even need a for loop. That says 1. Hold on. Okay. Let me try this. Digits is not defined. Hmm. Okay, so let's convert the decimal part into 5. So that makes sense. 3, 4, 5. So then we would do figures equals this plus 1. So then okay. Because 0.1, you'd have to multiply by 10 to get it back, but this would return 1. So do 10 to raise it to this SF power, and then all we got to do is get should find out 1, and boom, there it is. Fraction, and there it is. Oh, actually, I forgot something. There it is. So that is not simplified. I mean, those are both even numbers, so you can just... I mean, they're both powers of 10, so you can just right away divide it by 10. But, you know, that is a simple fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction converter. So yeah, sub if you want, like if you want.